What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you remember on the last video, we're trying to get rid of a rough idle on this thing, and we replaced the PCV valve on this N55. That didn't fix the problem. I'm having a surging idle, rough idle, you name it. This is my 2011 BMW 535i X-Drive with the N55 motor in it, and maybe I've got a vacuum leak. Now, I've done the traditional vacuum leak test where I've ran the motor and I've sprayed starting fluid and brake cleaner all the way around the whole thing to where I can't believe the damn thing didn't catch on fire, but it didn't. And nothing ever came about it, but somebody said, no, get yourself a smoke machine and check that bad boy, and so I did. Presenting the smoke machine 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. It's 6,000. I don't even know. Link in the description below. This guy was on Amazon, and the only reason why I went with this one is because it was the cheapest option that I could get at between 5 and 10 at night, same day. So that's why I got it. Reviews weren't bad at all. It came with everything that I needed to. Let's look at it. Okay, you got the smoke machine itself, this fancy dancy hook that you can hang it from your hood or whatever you want to do. These are the power leads for it that hook right up to your terminals on your car. This is going to be your intake plug. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, and then your smoke's going to come out of you know, the top of there or there, something like that. And then I think this is the plug for, like, if you're doing your smoke detecting in your evap system. And then they give you this cute little lube filler upper bottle. And of course it's empty. Now, what can you use in this smoke machine? Well, they recommend you use their smoke oil, but when it comes down to it, a lot of people online say baby oil. I went to Walmart, guess what? All their baby oil has crappy fragrance in it. There's nothing natural. But when I look at the back, it says mineral oil and fragrance for ingredients. So I'm like, oh, well, how about I just save myself $5 and get Equate branded mineral oil lubricant laxative.
Lubricant laxative.
Okay. Yeah, no. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna use. It's odorless, tasteless, and colorless. And hopefully, when it turns into smoke, it's not colorless. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll show you how to get this car set up. The whole intake is stock, so minus the charge pipe and the, well, that's the boost side, but yeah. Minus the charge pipe and the intercooler, but other than that, everything is stock. It's all in the stock setup, so this should be how you hook up your stock N55. Alright guys, we need to gain access to the intake tube here that is just past the air filter, so we're going to start with T25 and take off the top of the intake cover. Then you just take a flathead, loosen the hose clamp right past the top of the air cleaner box. Lift up on this bad boy. There. Now you got your air filter. And that intake tube is what we need. Now, we're going to take our fancy dancy plug here. That's kind of the mass airflow sensors in the way, I'm going to say. So we're probably going to have to go to that one. Again, this is just a flathead. Come on, bro. That was a pain in the butt, but there you go. Get that out of the way. Hopefully it's not leaking from here. Alright, then we can put a little plug in here. And then you take this cool little hose here and shove the silver end in the black end. And then this is gonna lead to your smoke machine. Let's get that set up. Alright, lubrication time. On this bottle it has milliliters. It goes all the way up to 100, 50 in the middle. Directions say don't put more than 30 mils in when it's empty. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill that bad boy up to 30 mils with the lubricant. I can't stop saying it. Mineral oil. And then we'll fill the machine right here. All right, that's 30 mils in that bad boy. Okay, now this is your fill port. Put our little lid back on here, and then you can just take this cone part and unscrew that. And then that's what we'll do to fill it. Yay! That only took 8 hours. Okay. We'll put the lid on here, and then we'll go hook the hose up. As far as the hose goes, you've got this little compression fitting here. Take that bad boy off. This is fun to do one-handed. Take off your little compression fitting that's on this port. Slide it over your hose. Slide the hose over the nipple and snug up the compression fitting. And that's just gonna put a nice seal around your hose. There. We can also hang this out of the way. Looky there. I like it. Okay, let's hook some power up to it. So this guy plugs in, yeah, only one way, so. All right, and then as far as the leads go here, I have a positive right here on this car. And then your negative can be at strut tower brace. Now, theoretically, we should be good. All right, I've got everything hooked up and ready. I've got the power running to it. I guess that's it. So, yeah. Oh, well, look at this. That definitely needs to be plugged in. Okay, I guess I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. And it said it should fill the engine within a minute, full of smoke. So, I'm gonna be looking. And perhaps, you know, the temp light isn't lit up, so I'm wondering if that needs to be up to temp before it actually starts creating smoke. Nope, because it's going through there. Definitely not sealed there. Oh, fuck. I guess what you want to do is pressurize the system and then shut it off. And then see if you can see anything. I don't know. But it just blew out of the pipe. And I didn't see anything, but now I gotta wait for all this smoke to clear. Try it again. All right, well, that smoke detector definitely works. So I found it leaking out of the charge pipe here. This is just a bung where you can add meth injection or whatever. So I took that out, put some Teflon tape on there, and sealed her up. Did it again. Found nothing. I took the throttle body off and the charge pipe, smoke tested in there, found nothing. Hopefully that was the issue, but definitely the machine works good. So link will be in the description below. I highly recommend using this to check for vacuum leaks. For sure. And then I'm also going to check my evap system while I'm out here doing it. So, well, hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.